City, Hocking, Ohio. Winter storm warning in effect from 5 a.m. Monday to 5 a.m. Tuesday. Wind chill advisory is canceled. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a winter storm warning for heavy snow, which is in effect from 5 a.m. Monday to 5 a.m. Tuesday. The wind chill advisory has been canceled. Snow will spread into the area late tonight or early Monday morning, becoming steady and occasionally heavy during the day, and tapering late Monday evening. Snow accumulation of 3 to 5 inches are expected. Hazardous travel conditions are expected due to reduced visibilities and snow accumulations. Remember, a winter storm warning means severe winter weather conditions are imminent or highly likely. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio or your favorite source of information for the latest updates. Additional details can also be found at www.weather.gov/il and as well as on our Facebook and Twitter pages. The National Weather Service